Hi, it's Captain FICO here, and today we're talking about credit cards for people with bad credit. So I'm going to hold up some cards that you can get if you have bad credit. Here we go. Ready? And I'm going to have links down the bottom for you, for all these cards, okay? Here they are. None. You can't get a credit card with bad credit. Okay? Most credit card issuers want at least a 680 FICO, not Advantage like from Credit Karma. They want actual FICO 680. And the 680 has to be on what's called the bank card FICO, right? There's a different FICO if you're buying a car or a house or whatever. There's a different FICO for each avenue. So a credit card, they're looking at your bank card FICO. All right. So if you don't have a 680, you're not going to get a credit card. Right? Credit card's one of the hardest things to get. It's easier to get a car loan. But because, there's collateral with that. But good news is you can get a secured card. Another but here. But a lot of these companies run hard inquiries just to get a secured card. So it doesn't matter that, you're going to give them $200 to get a secured card. It doesn't guarantee approval. It really doesn't. So many people say, hey, Captain FICO, I try to get a secured card. They won't even give me that. You know why? They look at your credit and they go, you know what? I'm not dealing with this smuck. This guy's a smuck. So what? He's going to give us $200. We got to do all this, stuff. And, he's probably not going to pay anyways and whatever, So you're not guaranteed. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you two cards that you can get that are secured where there's no credit check and you're guaranteed to get approved. All right. Now, if you want to go to my site, CaptainFICO.com, you can get a list of all secured cards that are available. And it will tell you whether they report as secured or unsecured, if they change over from being secured to unsecured. Okay? Because if you're going to get a secured card, you kind of want it to become unsecured at some point. So, let me show you the two cards I'm talking about and why I think these are the best cards to start with. All right? The first card is Open Sky. Okay, there's no credit check. The downfall of this card is it'll never become unsecured. So it's always a secured card, which is fine. But put in the least amount possible. All right, like $200 I think is the least that you can start this card with. Another downfall is there's a $30 a year fee for it. Well worth it though. Okay, no credit check, guaranteed approval, and just go with the low $200 amount. All right, so you're building your credit with a secured card. You didn't have a hard inquiry, and you're good to go. Okay, that's the first one, and I have a link down below for that. The second one, which is amazing, the self-secured credit card. Okay, what you do, I've got the link below. Make sure you go through my link. Okay, because you're going to get, there's a $10 setup fee, and they waive that. If you go through my link, you'll get $10 credited on your account or something. You set up, you choose 1 year or 2 years, and you choose the amount. The three amounts I think are $48, $25, or $100. Choose the lowest amount. Okay, 25 bucks. Choose the lowest amount of time, 1 year. So what happens is you're basically giving yourself a loan. And you can take the money out anytime. You ever have any financial problems, whatever, you want to get all your money out, you just close the account, they send you all your money. Every time you pay, it's showing up at all three bureaus as a bank loan. I'm going to say this again. As a bank loan. Extremely important. FICO loves bank loans. The bank is lending you money. you are good enough for a bank to lend money. And really, you're lending money to yourself because you're going to get it all back in the end anyways, which is fantastic. Now, after 3 months of payments, so you've got $25 a month going in, you're going to get one of these cards if you want one. Take the card. It's a secured credit card, which will now start showing up to all 3 bureaus. So FICO sees it as you have a bank loan, and now you have a credit card. Now here's the beauty of it. Okay, by then your score is going way up. Now, after your 4th payment of $25, Self will let you increase your credit line on your secured credit card because, they're holding your $100 now. So you increase your card by the lowest amount possible. I think it's $25. Increase it by $25. It's going to show up to all 3 bureaus that not only do you have the secured or the loan, it doesn't matter if it's secured or unsecured from a bank, you have your credit card, and now the credit card guys have upped your limit, which FICO loves, right? The credit card company has upped your limit. It doesn't matter if it's just $25. Okay, to FICO, it's an increase in credit. The credit card company has faith in you. Now do this every month. Every time you put your $25 in your savings, throw it onto your card and watch your FICO go through the roof. Now, go to my site. I'm going to show you how to get all 3 of your FICO scores for free. Not your Vantage, which you get from Credit Karma, your actual FICO for free. So go to my site right now, captainfico.com.